You're drawing a dog? What shape do we need to draw a dog? Circle or a square?
Square.
Let's try a square. I'm going to draw kind of a roundish kind of square.
This?
Mm-hmm.
This?
And then in the middle, we draw a small kind of triangle for his nose. And then we draw a small line that goes down. And then we do kind of an upside down V, like that. And then I'm going to do two eyes, like this, like this.
I didn't.
You need some help? And then after that, we will do two big floppy ears and color them in. And another big floppy ear and color it in. And then, to make him extra cute, we do red cheeks. And then maybe we can do a cute little body. Like that. And that's a dog. Can I see your dog? Yours kind of looks a little bit scary.
No.
All right.